Brighten up your home with a Christmas lantern. Learn how to make this lantern by watching this video. If you would like our written instruction tutorial and would like to purchase supplies, click the iCard or the link in the description section below. The first step is to gather the supplies. Are you going to use metal sheets, scrapbook paper, or a combination? For my lantern, I am using a copper metal sheet for the front and scrapbooking paper for the sides and the back. Other supplies you will need are a nail, hammer, scissor, cardboard, ribbon, tin punch pattern, floral sprig, and battery-operated lights. If you need a pattern for punching the holes, you can make your own pattern, or here are some examples of free tin punch patterns I found online by searching using the phrase "free patterns for tin punching." Remove the glass from the lantern and use the glass as a guide when cutting out your metal or scrapbook paper. As you can see, I already punched my metal sheet. To do it, I cut out the pattern and I placed it on the metal sheet and attached it with some Scotch tape. To punch out the paper, I am going to use the design in the paper to punch the holes, or again, you could use a design, but in this case I would make the design, cut it out the entire length of the scrapbook paper and just tape it a little bit on the back to hold it in place. Place the metal sheet or scrapbook paper on a piece of corrugated cardboard. With a hammer and nail, begin punching holes. Continue punching holes until your piece is completed. Place the completed panels into the lantern and secure them in place. Tie a bow to the top. Insert the battery-operated lights inside. Please do not use a regular candle, especially if you're using scrapbook paper for the panels. The Christmas lantern is complete. This lantern will look great on a fireplace, mantle, table, windowsill, or shelf. Did you enjoy this project? Please like, share, and comment. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. To follow us, just click our website iCard or the link in the description below. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for a lot of crafting tutorials. I hope that you have a happy holiday.